and I got this motorized spinner with this, you know, that you can turn on. Have to be careful with that. Okay, it has, you know, a lot of variations. See? So I will play with this one. Video how you attach those grips on the canvas. You can find on the Paint Pour Store YouTube channel or their website, paintpourstore.com. I will put all informations in the description box of this video. Thank you so much, Chris, to send this to me to try. And of course it will be 50% code on all the products from Paint Pour Store into my description box too. So I basically screw this gripper on the back of my really deep edged canvas. It's 12 by 12. I don't know, I hope that I did this centered as much, and then you just, you know, and magnets will keep your canvas on, and you can also find this magnet to put it down and tape your tile on, or wood or something. So check out Paint Pour Store. And because I will experimenting for the first time, I will just go with black and white. And the second reason is because you probably know that I do quite a lot black and whites because I love them. And I want to have a wall with just black and white black and white paintings in my living room. And I will use this 9-petal, just try to find the middle, flower shaped cup from Paint Pour Store too. And I will use a split cup from Paint Pour Store. So it's all about Paint Pour Store today. So I will fill my split cup with just black and white, as I said. I have 4-chamber cup today, so 2 chambers of white and 2 chambers of black. And I will pour it over this cup and spin my maybe I will just add a little black here, not in the middle because I would have just a black middle then. Okay, so let's see. Maybe start slower. because it turned out like that. I will use a skewer and I will do that, you know, kind of 3D looking flower, more 3D looking flower, I should say. Okay, let's spin that. So I will start with the sides, because this really deep edged canvas, it's so good if you want to have really nice effects on the sides too. Maybe I didn't choose the right technique for the first time, but as I said, I want to have black and white wall on my living room, and this one will fit quite good, I think. At first I wasn't sure about the gray in the middle, but now it's just okay with all those black and white sharp lines around. So thanks again to Paint Pour Store, and I can't wait to play with this spinner more, because now I kind of realized what can I do. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.